This video is about how to create a Google Docs form. First, we go to google.aisd.net and we create an account. To create an account, we go to Getting Start Instructions. So click on this link. So I'm going to click in a new tab to show you the PDF file. And we have directions here how to download or view the file, how to access, how to create your own account. Okay, since we have an account already, we go to teacher login, and then I sign in. Oops. Then I click on Drive and Docs, and then I create a form. Create a new form. Okay, and then the first thing, I have to remove this, uncheck these boxes, otherwise my form will not be public and they will not have access, only the ones who have privileges to access my form, but we want to make it public. So I'm going to work on forms of energy. Okay, and there's going to be a reading and science assignment or quiz. Okay, and this is going to be for the 4th 6 weeks. Okay, then the first is when I'm going to click, I'm going to probably insert some text. It could be from a website or from a Word document. I can prepare my definitions and concepts, and then I can just copy and paste. So to demonstrate, I'm just going to copy this. Okay. So it's only for demonstration. Since I have all the definitions here, okay, I'm just going to use this one really fast to save time. Okay, my first question is going to be full name of student, full student name. Okay, and then I'll make it required. It's going to be a required question. Then next question is going to be a multiple choice. And the multiple choice question, my first question is, what is energy? And this is for a probably 3rd, 4th grade level question. So I paste the question, what is energy? And then I have to select in this drop-down menu if it's going to be paragraph text, multiple choice. So I want to do it multiple choice. Okay, so energy, it is something fast, my first choice. It is powerful. Then it's the ability to do work. The ability to do work. Okay. Paste. It is head. Okay, so I'm done with my first question with my answer choices, and I click on done. Okay, if I want to add more questions, I click on add item, and then I select what type of question do I want. In this case, I'm going to select multiple choice again. So I can ask, for example, I can give the definition and then the question. For example, what is chemical energy? Is energy stored in the bonds of atoms and molecules. Okay, so click copy, paste. It is energy stored in the bonds of atoms and molecules. Blank space. Okay, multiple choice. We're going to type mechanical energy and electrical energy. Thermal energy and chemical energy. Okay, so I'm done with this question. Right, let's add another question, and it'll be multiple choice. Choose from a list. Let's do it, choose from a list. Okay, the question is going to be about what is thermal energy. Okay, with the vibration and movement of the atoms and molecules with substances, within substances. Okay, copy. So select, paste. Okay, and then from the list I can click on multiple, choose from a list so you can see the difference, right? Okay, so it's going to be thermal energy, chemical energy, electrical energy, and mechanical energy. Alright, so the next one is we're going to add another question, and it's going to be open-ended. Okay, so it'll be paragraph text. Okay, and we can compare, or we can describe, or we can probably discuss, explain what forms of energy we use in our homes. Okay, and we leave. It'll probably type until 255 characters, so they have plenty of space to type a complete sentence or at least two complete sentences. So we make it required. When you see the asterisk, it means that it's a required question. So we have 4 questions, and then we can select the theme, so you can make it look nice, and something about science and energy. Let's see, we're going to select background, a nice background about energy. Well, I don't see any. I'm going to select this one. Sample form. So it's going to look like this, the final product. Okay, so I apply the changes, and it's ready. So when I go to my Google Drive, I will see when they enter their information, I will be able to see this, and I will see their answers here. Okay, so basically this is the first part of how to create a form. Okay, so when you want to publish this, just click on Forum, go to Live Forum, okay, and then you can copy this, the URL, okay, right-click copy, and email it to your students. Or also you can create a tiny URL. How do you do that? Just click on tinyurl.com, tinyurl.com. This is not the only one. You can use another one. Different websites can make tiny URLs. So I can paste my URL, and I'm going to click, I'm going to make it forms of energy, forms of energy, 4th, 6 weeks, for 6 weeks, 6W. Okay, if I want to make it smaller, I can just type FE of forms of energy, and then 4th, 6. Okay, or just forms, 4E. Then I create my URL, make it 4E, and then I type tinyurl.com forms 4E, enter, and here is my my quiz. They have to answer questions, and you can see this is a drop-down menu, and they select the right answer. Okay, that's basically how to create a form. Also, you can create a QR code. You have to use QR stuff. Thank you.